interest on capital. This is our new topic. Now tell me, you know what is capital? Yes, so owner's investment. Suppose this is the business, okay, and this is the owner, Mr. X. Mr. X is the owner, and he invested money in the business. How much? Suppose $10,000, or suppose $1 lakh. So who is the owner? Mr. X, and this is the business. He gave $1 lakh to the business. Now what business will do? Business will give interest to Mr. X. Getting my point? And that is called interest on capital, isn't it? If you remember that I explained you one concept, accounting concept, separate entity concept, and in that concept I explained you that business and businessman both are separate. This is business, separate entity, owner, separate entity. Owner is giving $1 lakh to the business, so now business will give him what? Interest. So that is called interest on capital. Let me take one example. Suppose this is the trial balance, and in the trial balance suppose capital is written. Capital suppose 1 lakh, and what is the additional information? Allow interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. This is the additional information, isn't it? Now first we need to compute the amount of interest. So before passing entry, what we will do? First we will compute the amount of interest. So see, what is the capital? Capital is 1 lakh na? And on this capital I will allow, I means I am the business, so I will allow interest at the rate of 5% per annum. So what is the amount of interest? $5,000, isn't it? 1 lakh, this is the capital, and on this capital I will allow interest at the rate of 5% per annum. So what will be the amount of interest? $5,000. Now see the entry. What entry I will pass for this? Now see, for the business, yeah, adjustment entry. I am going to explain you the adjustment entry. Yeah, see, I am what? I am business, and I am giving the interest to the owner. So this 5,000 is loss to me now. I am business, this is loss for me. So I will debit this loss, and for this, see, I will debit the interest on capital account. Interest on capital account. Why I am debiting? Because this is loss for me, and I will credit which account? Capital account. See, I am not paying you interest, I am allowing you interest. There is difference between paying and allowing. So this is the adjustment entry. Now see the effect of this entry. You understood this entry? This interest is lost to me, that's why I debited the interest, and with the amount of interest I credited the capital account. Why I credited the capital account? Do you have any idea about this? Why I credited this capital account? Do you have any idea? Let me take one another example. Suppose this is bank. This is what? This is a bank, and this is your account. This is your account, and in this account suppose you have 1 lakh. Done. And on this 1 lakh, suppose the bank